Control Pro 250R and 350R from WAGNER. Next generation airless sprayers with high efficiency airless technology. High Efficiency Airless features innovative nozzle technology combined with a highly efficient but lower pressure pump. From wall paints and water or solvent-based paints and varnishes to wood preservatives, the Control Pro units can process almost any material on any surface. The reduced spraying pressure allows easy and clean paint application with up to 55% less spray mist. Thanks to the reduced pressure of the airless gun, the trigger pressure and recoil are also very low, which allows effortless working with maximum control while spraying. The innovative high-efficiency airless gun produces a soft spray jet, which ensures streak-free results and perfect coverage. In addition, the machines and their components are less heavily stressed, resulting in reduced wear and a longer service life. You also save a lot of time and effort. Airless sprayers let you work on average 10 times faster than painting with a brush or roller. Control Pro devices from WAGNER allow effortless cutting in of corners and edges and make annoying bending, wiping and spillages a thing of the past. The paint is applied easily and without interruption thanks to the direct intake from the paint bucket. Larger projects and ceilings can be coated very easily thanks to the long and flexible spray hoses and the large working range. Operation of the Control Pro sprayers is extremely easy for experienced and first-time users alike. Ambitious DIYers, maintenance personnel or craftspeople can achieve very impressive professional spraying results. The WAGNER Control Pro airless paint sprayers can be used universally for regular painting tasks for interiors and exteriors and for larger scale projects. Control Pro stands for professional paint application, fast, perfect and clean. For more information about the Control Pro high-efficiency airless paint spraying systems, please visit www.wagner-group.com.